Hello and welcome to Shubham's Origami World. In this video, we are going to make this cute little origami elephant. I don't know exactly who the designer is, but it seems like a traditional model. So let's get started. You will need a square paper. So fold both of the diagonals like this and like this. Okay. Now fold these two edges to center line. Like this. Turn the model over and bring this point on the top. Like this. Turn the model over again. Now what you need to do is you need to squash fold this down and fold the crease so that it overlap the back like this. Do it here again. Okay. Now fold this flap down completely. You get something like this. This is called a kite base. Fish base, sorry. Now fold the model in half. Like this. And keep the paper like this. Fold this edge towards this center line. Okay, open. You get this crease. We need to make an outside reverse fold like this. Here. Outside reverse fold. Okay, now fold this point up so that this pointed end gets slightly above this line like this. Open and another outside reverse fold. Like this. Now lastly, a small outside reverse fold here for the tail. Okay. Fold these two flaps completely back and use, starting from this point, make an inside reverse fold like this, up, such that this make a straight line here like this. Okay. Now according to this line, fold this flap down and make an inside reverse fold using that crease. Like this. Now we need to make an inside reverse fold here connecting this point and this point such that this line just gets a little bit down from this line. See, the paper reached here like this, and till this point flatten. Repeat this step behind. Fold the paper back completely till this line and till this point. Like this. Now fold this line on this line like this. Repeat this step behind. Okay. Now fold these corners back as far as they can go, like this. Repeat behind. Press firmly. Okay. Now open this head on this line like this. It's a form of outside reverse fold. And actually you need to stretch it here like this. All right. Now make an inside reverse fold here to make its trunk. Fold small portion of these corners here. Like this. Repeat on behind. Now keep making some inside reverse fold to make the trunk round. One. Now an outside reverse fold. 2. And finally an inside reverse fold. 3. So that the trunk is like round. Okay. These tips are to be folded just according to the legs so that elephant can stand like this. Open again and inside reverse fold the tip in this pocket like this. Repeat here. Inside reverse fold symmetrical to what we just did on the other flap. Now lastly we need to make these ears not pointy, so inside reverse fold a small portion to get rid of the pointed ears. Like this. And your elephant is ready. Thanks for watching.